And good afternoon, welcome back. This is the Four Sigmas, Alex speaking, in case you can't see me. It's pretty dark in here, and that's because we're doing the electron charge-to-mass ratio lab using the Heimholtz coils. So first, what you see here is actually the experiment after we've already set it up and tuned it. So what we have here is an electrons, I should say, that are being accelerated through the electric field generated by the capacitor. And now that gives it energy equal to 1/2 mv squared, your classic kinetic energy equation. And that is going to equal the charge of the electron times the voltage. Now, our goal in this experiment is going to be to get the electron charge to mass ratio, because we can't directly measure either of those in this experiment alone. So instead we get the ratio. Now, the magnetic field acts at a right angle to the motion of the electron. So that's what gives it the centripetal force and causes it to turn into the circle, which you guys see on the screen now, that pretty awesome blue color. Interestingly enough, if you look at it visually, it actually looks to be more turquoise, but that's just up to what kind of photography, I guess, because our eyes are little cameras, kind you're using. So the magnetic field is going to act, like I said, at a right angle. So we're going to have the charge of the electron times its velocity times the magnetic field, and that's going to equal the centripetal force, which is m velocity squared over r. So now combining these two equations, we can get, up to algebraic manipulation, the ratio of the charge of an electron to its mass. And if you combine that with a Millikan type experiment, you can actually get both values. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys find this a really cool experiment. It looks like some, Star Trek kind of oh yeah. Yeah, it looks like some Star Trek kind of stuff, and how you actually measure the diameter of that circle is one easy way to do it without just kind of guesstimating, is you can actually take a laser pointer and shine it through the circle, and it will hit on the ruler behind it to see where the two endpoints of the circle are. So that's an easy way to do it. Have fun with the experiment, and we'll see you next time.